Are you waking up feeling weaker, less energized, and noticing a lack of blood flow down there? If you're over 60, don't blame your age just yet. The real issue could be something you're doing or not doing before bed. I'm Dr. Mohit Khera, men's health expert with 30+ years of experience, and today I'll show you how just 1 spoon of the right food at night can help restore circulation, rebuild muscle, and reignite your confidence, starting tonight. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more men's health content. Drop a 1 in the comments if you're ready to take back your energy, or a 0 if you want a different approach next time. If you're over 60 and waking up feeling tired, weak, and noticing less blood flow down there, don't blame your age. The real reason might be something that's happening every night while you sleep. And the good news is, it's easy to fix. Many older men are missing a key habit before bed that can help improve blood flow, build strength, and boost confidence. And it all starts with just 1 spoonful of the right food at night. Hi, I'm Mohit Khera. I've been helping men for over 30 years improve their energy, circulation, and overall health. And I've discovered that one of the most powerful times to heal your body isn't during the day, but at night while you sleep. That's when your body naturally works to repair itself. If you give it the right fuel, you can wake up feeling stronger, more energized, and more like yourself again. Most advice focuses on the morning, like taking vitamins, drinking coffee, or working out. But healing happens at night. During deep sleep, your body rebuilds muscles, supports your hormones, and works to improve blood flow. But if you go to bed without the right nutrients, your body can't do its job. That's why I'm sharing 7 simple foods you can eat before bed to help your body repair and improve your circulation. First, let's talk about why blood flow gets worse after age 60. Your body makes less nitric oxide, which is the chemical that helps your blood vessels relax and open up, especially in your private area. As you age, your arteries get stiffer, your testosterone drops, and your sleep may get worse. But here's the good news. Your body still wants to fix this, especially at night. You just need to give it what it needs. I remember one patient named Joe. He was 71 and told me he hadn't felt like a man in over a year. He didn't feel strong or confident. When I asked what he did before bed, he said nothing really. That's when I suggested a simple change: eat the right food before bed. Within weeks, he had more energy, slept better, and felt more confident again. So what are these bedtime foods? First up is soft-boiled or poached eggs. Eggs are full of protein and nutrients that help with muscle growth and blood flow. They also help your body make more nitric oxide. One of my patients, Walter, added 2 soft eggs at night, and within 10 days, he had more energy and stronger morning erections. Next, try almond butter. Just 1 spoon before bed can help relax your blood vessels, keep your blood sugar steady, and support hormone levels. Almond butter is rich in magnesium and arginine, which both help improve blood flow. One of my patients, Carl, added almond butter to toast before bed, and within 2 weeks, he felt younger, more rested, and more confident. Another great option is tart cherry juice. It helps you sleep better and boosts nitric oxide. It's full of natural melatonin, which helps you fall into deep sleep, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation. A patient named Leonard started drinking a small glass before bed. Within days, he slept better. After a few weeks, he felt more energized and noticed stronger erections in the morning. Don't forget pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are full of magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, which help your body relax and improve sleep. Zinc also helps your body make testosterone. One man I worked with, Don, added just a spoonful of pumpkin seeds before bed and started waking up less during the night, with more energy and better performance in the bedroom. Greek yogurt is another smart choice. It's full of protein, both fast and slow digesting, so your body gets a steady supply of nutrients while you sleep. It also supports blood flow and hormone health. You can mix it with chia seeds, honey, or berries. Robert, a retired coach, started eating it an hour before bed. Within 3 weeks, he had better sleep, more energy, and said he felt like his old self again. If you like something simple and soft, try cottage cheese. It's packed with slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles overnight. It also helps improve circulation and lower blood pressure. Frank, a 72-year-old patient, started eating half a cup each night. Soon, he felt stronger, slept better, and had more confidence in his relationship. Now, if you want something even more powerful, I recommend the Ultimate Rebuilding Shake. This is a shake I give many of my patients who are trying to rebuild strength, energy, and circulation. It includes whey protein, collagen peptides, and leucine, an amino acid that helps build muscle. Blend it with almond milk and cinnamon. One man named George started drinking it after surgery. In just a few weeks, he felt stronger, stood taller, and regained his pride. But even if you're doing everything right during the day, eating healthy, walking, taking vitamins, you might still feel stuck. And that's because many men skip the most important time, the hour before bed. They either eat nothing or grab junk food. But your body needs the right nutrients at night to heal and restore itself. A man named Thomas, 68, told me he was doing all the right things, but still felt tired and weak. When I asked what he ate before bed, he said, just a sandwich, or sometimes nothing at all. That's when we added one simple bedtime food like cottage cheese. 2 weeks later, he was sleeping better and feeling like himself again. You might be wondering, how fast will I feel a difference? Most men feel results much sooner than they expect. After 7 nights, many report sleeping better and waking up less. After 14 nights, they have more energy and firmer erections. And after 30 nights, they feel stronger, more confident, and more alive. James, a retired mail carrier, gave it a try. After 7 nights, he was sleeping deeper. After 14, he felt more alert and connected with his wife. And after 30 days, he said it felt like his real self had returned. So let me leave you with this. You're not broken. You're rebuildable. Your body still wants to heal. You just need to give it the right support. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s regain their energy, their confidence, and their relationships. Tonight, you have a choice. You can go to bed the same way, or you can do something small. 1 spoon of almond butter, a small bowl of yogurt, or a glass of cherry juice. That one step could be the beginning of your comeback. If this message helped you, hit the like button, share it with a friend or brother, and leave a comment below. Tell me, what bedtime food will you try tonight? You're not alone. You're stronger than you think. And the best part, your healing can start tonight.